You're just gonna yell? Solid.
Fatty liver disease is the fastest growing chronic disease in the world, and many people don't even know they have it. It starts off simple, by fat accumulation in our liver. There's no pain, no symptoms, no warning signs, just fat accumulation in our liver. Now, it does not stop at fat accumulation. For many people, it progresses into inflammation, into injury, into scar formation, a process known as fibrosis. And when this occurs, the healing mechanisms and the function of our liver declines. But this is not just a sudden jump. It's a tipping point, an imbalance between a fatty liver, which can revert itself, and a fibrotic liver, which cannot. I study a protein called MMP12, which plays a role in tissue remodeling, as well as in our natural healing responses. Now, I'm asking a different question. What happens if MMP12 tips the scale in the other direction? What happens if the protein that's meant to heal actually drives scarring and harm? By looking at liver tissues in a diseased state, I can compare when MMP12 is present and when it's absent in order to understand if this protein plays a role in protection or in silently driving fibrosis. Because if this protein does play a role in tipping the scale, it is not just a protein, it is a potential therapeutic target, a way to prevent fatty liver disease from progressing to fibrosis, a way to intervene before cirrhosis, before a patient's life is altered. Fatty liver disease does not just damage the liver overnight. It creeps up slowly and silently. And this project focuses on understanding the moment when healing becomes hard. Because if we can control this tipping point, we can not only treat the disease, we can prevent against it. We can protect the liver's function of regeneration, of detoxification, and of sustaining life. And by doing so, we don't just protect ourselves, we protect the future generation. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. Now we will allow 1 to 2 minutes for the judges to finalize their scores. If there are any questions, and could I get the next competitor to make their way to the front? Well, I can tell you who's next. Jada Kiss. Thank you. Any questions? Comments? That's okay. We can stand here quietly.
Hey, you.